Hello guys, in today's video we have the itel S24 which is locked. Let's remove this lock with the hard reset. The method for this itel is different from the other phones. First you guys have to power off your phone. Then press and hold the power and volume up keys at the same time. Now when the itel logo appears, release the power key but keep holding on to the volume up key until the no command page comes up. Then at this point again press the power and volume up keys for the recovery menu. Then inside the recovery menu you guys can use the volume keys to move the option and use power key to select an option. Select wipe data with the power key, then factory data reset, and this will start wiping the data on your phone. As you guys can see down here, formatting data, but this method is a little different here because the phone will stuck here at this point and it won't format all the data on your phone until you guys again press the power and volume up key, and it will start erasing all the data on your phone. As you guys can see here, you guys have to press the power and volume up keys after it says formatting data, then it will start erasing the data on your phone. Until that, your phone will stuck at the formatting data option. Now after about 1 minute of this process, you guys have to press the power and volume up keys again and then leave the phone as it is. Then after some time again the no command page will comes up, and again press the power and volume up keys. As you guys can see here that now the data wipe has been completed. Then after that select reboot system. Now after the reboot your phone will take some time to load up, so you guys have to wait for it. Then after that select your language, your country, complete this setup, and after completing this setup you guys will be able to use your phone again.